Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Agrawal and I welcome you all on my channel Knowledge Sutra. Today we will talk about 5G principles of lean manufacturing for problem solving. But before we start, I request you all to like my videos and subscribe my channel. The 5G in lean manufacturing are: first is Gemba, the real place; second is Janbutsu, the real tool pertaining to the Gemba; third one is Janjitsu, the real facts which can be obtained only from the Gemba; the fourth one is Janri, that explains the principle of operations; and the last one is Jansuko, which means standardization. Let's start with the first G, that means Gamba. The first G is Gamba. Gamba is the combination of two words, gem and ba. Roughly translated, Gamba means a raised podium or a raised platform. Just as the raised platform draws the attention of one and all, Gamba should raise attention of one and all. Or in other words, Gamba means the real place where the value is added, where the problems are resolved, where the work is happening. The Gamba is the location where the incident is actually occurred, at the source of the problem, which may not be where the majority of the losses occurred. Whenever there is a problem or abnormality, the first thing we need to do is to go to the Gamba. It is especially important for the members of the team that is assigned to resolve the problems. Everyone needs to have the same perspective and knowledge of the current equipment areas that are being investigated. During the visit to the Gamba, the remaining 4G should be considered by the team. Now we will talk about second G, that is Janbutsu. This is only termed as Janrik Janbutsu, loosely translated as means go and see. Janbutsu doesn't matter considering the phonetic issues. While at the Gamba, the team should examine the equipment, parts, materials that were associated with the problem or the failed equipment. At times, there could be instances where the problematic parts would have been removed, or as to keep the line running even before the team arrives on the Gamba. However, the team should insist on all the parts pertaining to the place for detailed study, which could explain how the failure could have happened. This is our second G, Janbutsu. Now we will talk about third G, that is Janjutsu. Janjutsu refer to the data and facts around the area of concern. In this step, the team must gather all the data available about the 4 M's, precisely say process, equipment and material, before and after the condition of the problem. These data will assist the team in linking the facts behind the evidence that the team has seen and what had happened. While collecting the data, ensure that the team include the variable control data from the line. Collect the real facts after having the informal chat with the Gamba owner at the time of the failure or the problem occurred. This is about third G, Janjutsu. Now we will talk about our fourth G, that means Janri. Janri refers to the principle. Prior to attending to resolve any abnormality or problem, one should be aware of the principle of operations. This would help the problem solver to do the root cause analysis in the right perspective and the right way. This is because knowing the operational principle would help the team discriminate the current condition from the ideal condition. The gap will be clearly seen, without which at times the problem solver will be grouping in the dark and could mislead too. This is the fourth G, Janri. Now we will talk about fifth G, Jansuko. Jansuko refer to the standard and parameters. This could be a possibility that the equipment failed because of deviation from the standards. More importantly, the method standard. The Gamba owner might be aware of the standard operating procedures. The 1-point lesson were not made or not providing the clarity to the operator. The standard parameter chart was missing and the operator had done a set wrong of parameter. In short, the actions or the wrong actions of the operator might lead to the problem. Verifying the standards, SOPs, OPLs, job instructions, element instruction sheet enables the team identify the origin of the problem. Once the problem is resolved, the team should always ensure that the standards are revised according to prevent the recurrence. This is all about 5G principles of lean manufacturing. Today we have understood in very brief what are the 5G principles of lean manufacturing, which includes Gemba, Janbutsu, Janjitsu, Janri and Jansoko. For additional information on lean manufacturing or to speak with a specialist about the options for improving your processes and cost optimization, you can comment below or email us at knowledgesutrabygaurav@gmail.com. If you like this video or found it helpful, be sure to give it thumbs up. To get alerts when we post our new video, be sure to hit subscribe button and click the bell. Thanks for watching and we will see you on next Friday on Knowledge Sutra.